Hello guys, welcome to the new video of ThemeHunk. I am Anurag, here to show you how to integrate Google Analytics into your WordPress website. Analytics is a crucial part of growing your website. You can make a perfect strategy with the help of analyzing the analytics of the site. It will show you detailed information regarding website traffic and page view. In WordPress, there is no integrated analytics feature, so we have to do it ourselves. In this video, I will show you how to set up Google Analytics for your website. In this video, we will use Sitekit by Google, which is the lead plugin for analytics. This plugin not only shows the analytics data but also shows you the data from the Search Console. With the help of this plugin, you can track every activity on the site in real time. Also, you can connect your AdSense account to see your earnings within the dashboard. Let's get started. First, go to your dashboard. Navigate to Plugins and click on Add New. Go to the search bar and search Sitekit. This is your plugin, install it. Now activate it. After activation, the plugin has come in the Plugins section. Now go to Sitekit's dashboard from the left corner menu. To connect your account, sign in with your Google. Give the necessary permissions and click on Continue. Go through these 4 steps and set up Google Analytics. Now create your account. Here you have to select your country and check the boxes. Now the analytics account has been set up. Go to the dashboard. After analyzing the site's activity, the analytics will be seen after some time. This is the dashboard of the Sitekit by Google. This section will show the traffic on your site. This is the content section where top and grossing content will be shown. Here you can see the speed and performance. This is the monetization section where you can create an AdSense account and earn money through the website. This is how the Sitekit is set up on the site. If you find this video helpful, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.